Hi Sana, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, looking good.
Recommend something.
Bouncy blow dry?
Yeah, I feel like that's always a good go-to. Let's do it. Okay, I do want you to talk me through all the steps so that I can keep track also.
Done.
How many pumps was that?
Just 2 pump.
Okay. Oh, that smells really good.
Step 2.
Please be generous with that. That smells really good also, by the way.
You know सबसे ज़रूरी क्या होता है किसी भी हेयर स्टाइल का?
What is it?
Parting. 2 section, right and left.
Okay.
And then making 3 to 4 different parting.
These steps are very easy and I think I can just do them at home all by myself.
Okay, so now blow dry.
I should smile.
Now curling.
Let's do it. Almost there. The transformation though is amazing. It makes my hair look so much more also.
And final hair lock with TRESemme hairspray.
Oh my god.
Magic.
I can't get over how good it looks. I love
I
it.
am loving it. Enjoy your day.